Welcome to Browser in Seconds. If you're new here, special welcome. In this video, I'm gonna explain what Google SafeSearch is. First, I'm gonna show you how to locate it. First is you need to search for Google because as you can see on the bottom right corner, it's just customize Chrome. But if you search for Google, it will reveal this settings button. Go to search settings, and then under the content, you can see Safe Search. Click on that one. So, Safe Search helps you manage explicit content in your search results like sexual activity and graphic violence. So, this is very helpful if you have teenagers or kids, or you really don't want to see all this kind of stuff because we know that the internet, like everything is in there. Like, it's not a perfect world in the internet, and there are contents that shouldn't be there in the first place. So, you can blur these kind of images, but if you blur this one, you will still see an option to see it or unblur it. But if you really want it to remove from the results that Google shows you, click on filter. And for more information about Safe Search, you can click this one. So as you can see, explicit content like pornography, graphic violence, and such. And there you have it. Thank you and see you in the next video.